What up, guys? Back with another little quick video, a little quick how-to video. You know me, I always do these videos whenever I can't find a video on how to do it, or whenever I just can't figure out how to do it, so to help everybody else out. But I have a Trailblazer here, doing a wheel bearing on it, as you can hear. Man, what happened was I hit a pothole probably like 3 weeks ago now, and bent the hell out of my wheel. Which I know I hit that pothole, but I didn't realize I bent it. You can see it right there, it has a little flat spot. It's crazy. But I bent the wheel, and after like 3 weeks of riding like that, it eventually fucked up the wheel bearing. So I gotta order a new wheel, and I put a wheel bearing on there in the meantime so I can drive it. But anyways, I couldn't find a video on how to take out this center nut on the two-wheel drive Trailblazers. Everybody that's doing them is on a four-wheel drive. So I decided, let me just make a video since I couldn't find one. So whenever you're replacing your bearing, there's a little stud, like a little axle shaft, a little fake axle shaft, and I couldn't figure out how to. I thought it had to be pressed out or something, or beat out. All you got to do is, once you got it all apart, start that bolt a little bit and give it a little tap. I'm not a little tap, just give it a tap. Of course, I already hit it before, but you just tap it right there and it slides right out. I'll show you what it looks like. Then you push it out. Simple as that, and then you just slide that one in your new one. So once you get that off, you're going to want to get the 3 bolts off the back of the wheel bearing. Makes it easier if you got an impact. I believe the new wheel bearing I have comes with the new sensor, so I'm just going to unclip it and use the new one. So now that you got the old one all out, pretty much I use the trim tool. I like using a trim tool. I popped out all the connectors, took out the harness with it all at once since the new one comes with one. Gonna get it popped in here and get this shit done, man. I gotta get rolling. I got shit to do. Just gonna slide this shaft inside this opening here. Just kidding. Simple as that. Just slide it in. Honestly, I thought it was gonna be a lot harder than this. That's why I ended up YouTubing it, because I wasn't sure. But man, it's just pretty easy. So I'm gonna make this video and hope I help everybody else out that got the two-wheel drive Trailblazer that's been trying to find a video on what to do with the center stud on the wheel bearings. All right, I'll get that tightened up, get everything bolted down, and we're good to go. Now, it's a little easier for me because I have this impact that makes it a little easier to put the center nut. So I'm going to try to crank it down. Try to hold it still. Again, I know how to be hand tight because there's no use for it. I guess it's just in there for weight. So just crank it down a little bit. That's it. That's what I was so afraid about. That's what I was so worried about. I was looking up videos on how to do that because I couldn't find no videos on how to do the two-wheel drive wheel bearing. So it's simple, man. And just plug all your electrical connections up. Motherfucker, piece of never mind. I thought they gave me the wrong one. The connector looked a little different. My bad, that's just how I curse in the shop. So you put that one there. there. Let's see if I can show y'all. More vibration. So I gotta order the wheel, get the wheel coming, and probably by the time that wheel gets here, this wheel bearing will be bad. But luckily I purchased the extended warranty, so I could just swap this bitch out. But in the meantime, I had to get this truck running. So that's how you swap, well, that's not how you swap, but that's how you replace a wheel hub bearing on a 2007 Trailblazer Super Sport, or any Trailblazer 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, Envoy 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive. I'm not too sure what else is the same, but thank y'all for watching another video. Appreciate you. The more shit starts breaking, the more videos I'll make on how to fix shit on these Trailblazers. So thank y'all for watching.